Hi, I'm Lana Kurta. I go to Osnovna škola Bartul Kašić. I play guitar and I train football.
Hello, my name is Christian Nekić. I go in Osnovna škola Bartula Kašića. I like reading stories, and that's pretty all you need to know about me.
Hello, my name is Jan Markač. I live in Zadar. I go into the school Bartul Kašić and I love geography.
You know other language?
I know English and a bit of German. And a couple words in Slovakian.
Like?
Like hello. Bye bye.
Bok, moje ime je Nina Jurjević, idem u osnovnu školu Bartula Kašića u 6. razredu. Hi, my name is Nina, I like ice cream and English. Ćao, ime me Kjamo Nina.
Hello, my name is Bartol Jurjević and I going to school Bartul Kašić. I live in Zadar. This is my first project.
Hi everyone, I'm Dubija Petričić. I go to Osnovna škola Bartula Kašića. I play piano and train athletics.
Imam 12 godina i živim u Zadaru. My name is Antonija, I live in Zadar and I am 12 years old.
I'm Barbara Bukvić. I go grade 6 in elementary school Bartul Kašić. This is not my first project. I was last year been in I-twinning project.
My name is Andrea Paškov. I live in Zadar. My school is Bartul Kašić. My hobby is IT. My favorite subject is history. Goodbye.